Hi everyone, my name is Marvin and I'd like to tell you about my science project called BetterFly, From Food Waste to Sustainability with BSF. It's all about how black butterfly larvae, yes, those little wiggly bugs, can help save our planet. They eat food waste and turn it into useful things like animal feed and organic fertilizer. I've worked on this project with my partner Liya. We designed an experiment to show how black butterfly larvae can turn food waste into valuable resources. We explained the life cycle of the black butterfly, how the circular economy works, and we shared real results from our experiment at our school's science fair. Many people visited our booth, some curious, some were surprised, and many were really impressed. I felt very excited and proud to present something that could help the environment. It was amazing to see how interested people were and how many asked questions about how BSF works. This experiment taught me how to communicate science and showed me how important sustainability is. We won a second place trophy from Rugby School, Thailand. That made me really proud and even more excited to keep working on this project. Thanks for watching, and remember, even tiny creatures can make a giant difference. Thank you.